This is a quick guide on how to set up Google Tag Manager for your website. For the purpose of this guide, I'll be using Google Analytics on a WordPress website. Let's begin. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Tag Manager website, google.com/tag manager. Next, you will want to click on the sign up for free button and log in with your Google account. Okay, now that you're logged in, you're going to want to create an account. And my recommendation is create a new account for each website you have. In this case, I'm going to set up for a website we have called Brisbane Office Cleaners. And you can either choose to share your data with Google or not. For this case, I will. Next, the site is www.brisbaneofficecleaners.com, and you've got to tell Google where you're going to use container. In this case, I'm going to use it on the web. Select English if you're whatever your local language is, and click yes. Perfect. That's the code we want to use. That's Google Tag Manager. Click OK. The next thing you're going to want to go over to your WordPress website. The next thing to do is add your Tag Manager ID into your WordPress website. For this, I use a plugin called Google Tag Manager for WordPress by a developer named Thomas Geiger. So let's go to the plugin. You'll want to access your Google Tag Manager ID. So I'll show you where to get that inside of the Google Tag Manager. Top left hand corner, next to your domain, you'll see the GTM with a couple of numbers. You're going to want to grab that and copy it, take it over to your plugin and replace whatever is currently there, or if there's nothing, add it in. Okay, so the default recommendation where they place the code is on the footer. It's not recommended by Google, but there are no tweaks required in your template. If you are a bit of a geek and you understand how to customize the templates using child themes, go ahead and use custom option and insert this PHP code. So I'm going to save these changes and head back to Google Tag Manager. So we're going to want to add our first new tag. So we'll add a new tag, and this will be for Google Analytics. I'm going to choose Universal Analytics and click Continue. You want to access your tracking ID, so go over to your Google Analytics account and get your tracking ID. So let's copy this over. Go back to Google Tag Manager, paste that ID, and I want to track it based on page views. Click Continue, and I want it to fire on all pages. Let's create that tag. And because it's set up in Google Tag Manager and it's set up within the website itself, I can go straight to the main website. Now, to make sure it's working, I use a tool called Tag Assistant. That's an extension of Chrome, or you can use preview mode within Tag Manager itself. For this purpose of the tutorial, I'm going to use that Tag Assistant. So let's refresh the website. Click on Tag Assistant to make sure it's working, and I can see that Google Analytics tag is firing as well as Google Tag Manager. So they're both working perfectly. That concludes how to actually set up Google Tag Manager. You can then go on to add other lines of code, such as your other analytics, your remarketing pixels, etc., etc. That concludes our tutorial on setting up Google Tag Manager with Google Analytics. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me personally. My name is Jos Aguirre, spelled Josaguiar. You can find me on Twitter. My handle is IamJosAguirre on Facebook or LinkedIn. And of course, you can reach out to us on our website, dirtboxcreative.com. I'll include all this information in the description. So in the meantime, you guys have a fantastic day, and we'll speak to you all soon.